Hi everyone, it's Paola. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally doing part 2 of this really exciting project. So you guys saw part 1 where I made the logo for Polly Pocket, redesigned logo. The original Polly Pocket, kind of like a retro feel. Yeah, if you haven't seen it, go watch it. What are you doing? But here we are at part 2, which is where I create a poster with a video of myself as a Polly Pocket. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening because I want it to happen. I want to be weird and I want to be Polly Pocket and I want it to be stupid and camp, and that's what it's gonna be. So I have my little Miss Polly Pocket here. The little girl is not going to be in it. I am going to be the little Polly Pocket. As you guys know, if you haven't seen the toy, it's like very tiny. She is a tiny little thing. But yeah, I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be in the replacement of it. So what we're going to do first is photograph and then get into the next part. So let's start by photographing this. I think I'm going to use my phone because I'm vlogging with the camera. So there's a lot going on. So let's just do it. Okay, so right now I'm going to be photographing my Polly Pocket set so we can have a background image for this visual poster, video poster thing. So yeah, it's really cute. I love it. And it's from 1989, guys. So it's like, look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. So I'm going to photograph it with my phone because the framing of all of that is going to be perfect. And then to put myself in it, I'm using a TikTok filter. So we'll get into that later, but let's start photographing this with like the perfect like long size shot. So the first thing that I did for the photos was actually opening Instagram stories because that is a bigger size. It's kind of like 1920 by 1080, which is bigger than the phone camera size. So that's how I did the photo and kind of manipulated it from there. I ended up editing it so you couldn't see like the wall lines and things like that. So I think it turned out really, really cute. Okay, now to move on to the next part. This is what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna be wearing this skirt. The checkers go perfectly. I think it complements it really well. I can't decide if I wanna wear like this swimsuit top because it has this little thing or just like a tank top. I might wear just like a tank top and maybe a shirt. Like I have a sheer shirt that I might wear over top, or like maybe a collared shirt. That might be cute. So maybe just something like this. Yeah, this is getting a little ridiculous, but I'm really into that. I am also going to be wearing these shoes, which were my wedding shoes, because they are amazing and perfect for this project. Okay, I put on jewelry. The hair is just kind of like this little thingy thing. Pink scrunchie. This is the look. Please excuse the messiness. These are the shoes. I think it looks good for what we're trying to achieve here. Here's a wide shot. This is better angle. So you guys recently saw me make my whole desk space nice. Now I have to move it because I need the white background and nothing else. We are putting ourselves in this tiny picture, but we're gonna use the green screen on TikTok. Okay, so there's you. Woo, okay. And I'm gonna go into my effects, which I have the green screen one. And there is my picture. And as you can see here, if you can see that angle, angling me, I'm in it, so I can make myself small and big. Isn't that exciting? So, I hope you can see because the sun's starting to stream in, but there's me on the thing on TikTok. And it looks so funny already. I love it. Like, I literally love this. I can make myself tiny. And look how cute. Let's do it. So, this is the angle you're gonna get of me doing the things, and I'm gonna be like fake sitting on nothing and hopefully it'll look real, but yeah, that's the goal. Okay, so I have my props here. I have a little yellow mug, which is perfect for the color. I love it. And then I have a little brush. It looks so funny. Look at this. So once everything was done, I learned how to edit in TikTok for the first time. I don't ever do this, but if you want to follow me on TikTok, that's where I post things like this. I did not post this one. I post this on my Instagram. So from there, we got into the design of the overlay, basically. So it's going to be a transparent design. So I brought in the original photo, not the video, just to have a placeholder because we will be exporting this into PNG. And so I just started playing around with different things that could be on the frame kind of thing. So it's going to be Instagram virtual poster, basically. So I kind of played around with type. I brought in some heart shapes. I love the idea of having just like cutesy little hearts, and I wasn't really loving what I was doing at first, like with this bar and kind of, I don't know, I felt like maybe I could have information over here if I put like a color block, but that just didn't really end up working out. So I made the heart shapes kind of glowy and outliney, and I figured that's kind of the cutest thing, so I should just keep that and bring in everything else around it. So obviously I brought in the logo that we designed in the last video, and then those heart shapes were cute, and I started adding more info from there. So what I decided to add were words that were basically like if the Polly Pocket character was a character. So I put in basically what this is and likes and dislikes, and put in like a little marketing thing like new features, like things like that. So I thought that was kind of cute and just worked perfectly for the theme of what I'm going for here. So kind of vintagey, but kind of cutesy and kind of almost video game like. So I feel like it all came together that way. So with that, I started adding some shapes and rectangles with rounded edges around, and then brought in more heart shapes but with a white border instead of the pink glowy, and all together it just looked really, really perfect for what I was going for, and I just love everything about it. So from there, once that design was done, I exported it with a transparent background as a PNG. And then from there, I brought it into a camera app that I just edited with. It's called Inshot. I'll link everything below that I've been using. None of this is sponsored, by the way. But yeah, I brought in that, and I just set it to the frame and then made sure it was in 4K to keep that quality up. And I put a cute little filter on it. And this is the final video. It does have music with it, which you can see on Instagram if you go there, but I can't add it in here because of copyright, but I think it's so cute and fun. So that's the whole video, guys. So cute and pink and just fun and amazing. I love it. Okay everyone, so that was all I wanted to do for this Polly Pocket project, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, it really helps my channel. This was just such a fun project to like make something for Instagram, like make content with it, and just do a fun design project that really got the creativity out, like something funny and cute and just whatever. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to keep up with all of my crazy design projects, and I will keep going with this type of stuff for sure if you guys enjoy it. And yeah, go check that out, the post on Instagram, and give it a like, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye!